weak tha.
हाँ.
The story was unnecessarily dragged out, or it was slow, or it just didn't have the grip,
Yeah.
or it just didn't have that punch, or whatever you want to call it. So that way I feel. And otherwise, I mean, in terms of, if you're asking specifically for me and for women in general who are now older.
Yeah, that is my next question. That what is does it bother you? Okay, after a certain age,
It used to bother me till about 2 years ago. It was bothering me a lot that women who are in their late 30s are now expected, or mid to late 30s, are expected to and being asked generally to play mothers of children who they're not biologically able to produce.
To produce, yeah. I mean, like a 35-year-old
can't be a mother of a 25-year-old child, right? So
could maybe be a
माँ
mother of
बच्चे में 10 साल का फर्क तो नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं. So 20 तो minimum होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Unless you're making Gilmore Girls.
I felt that जो हमारी जरा सी old, like मुझसे जो एक generation या 2 generation पहले कह लो या 1 generation पहले कह लो, like the रुबीना अशरफ हैं, सबा हमीद हैं, I feel अतीका ओडो हैं, I feel Zeba Bakhtiar हैं, I feel women like that should be asked to play mothers of in today's time of 25-year-olds and 28-year-olds.
Yeah.
And my generation, which is like Maria Vasti and Savera Nadeem and myself and Sadaf, there's so many, should be playing mothers of maybe teenagers.
Yeah,
which would look more realistic.
Is it it necessary for us to only be playing mothers?
But even if we are playing mothers, then वो characters लिखे नहीं जा रहे is what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay, one thing I really that has been kind of bothering me and caught my attention was social media. And especially I think you and there are a lot of other veteran actresses who have a lot more recall value when because we've
been around for so long.
And you've done so much work, and there's an entire anthology of a body of work that you come with. But now you see social media stars and actors have become there's so much popularity on social media, and in a world where numbers talk, do you feel that you feel irrelevant?
I don't feel irrelevant, but I do feel that there is a huge chasm, and that that our generation, my generation, and the generation that is above me, they in fact have even wider recall. So what you're talking about makes sense, because obviously they've been working for 35 or 40 years on television. So a wider group of people would remember their work, or remember them, or recognize them immediately. But no, Sabah Hamid was, in fact, I was with her the other day, and I think she said it as well. She said, "Mujhe to samajh mein hi nahi aata, these kids are being paid, a lakh for doing a shout out. I don't even know how to do a shout out."
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, you're right, because even I get really conscious holding my camera, my phone up. Also, we're brought up, during a time, or we were trained that way. We were trained to not talk about our work.
Yeah.
And not show off or show.
Because, or have more private lives.
And keep your life private, in fact. And us zamane mein, because, print media is zyada focus tha, right? Electronic media was beginning. So journalists would come and want to interview you, and you have to be very careful about what answers you were giving to them. Ki ye na chhap jaye, wo na chhap jaye. Ab to everything is up for grabs, right?
Yeah.
And people are actively sharing their private lives.
That's what's selling.
Because that's what's selling.
Yeah. And that's when
I ate here, and I'm traveling here, and I'm on this seat, and and they say that you shouldn't be giving out such personal information because you can get hacked and you can get whatever. They say things like that. But yeah, it's I really don't have an answer for you, in the sense that I do feel somewhere we're a little left behind.
I meant work-wise even, for example, in those endorsements, where, like I said, that you possibly have more
financially recall. for sure it makes, because that's what's selling, as you said, that's what's selling. And if that's what people want to see, and people want to crawl into your private life, and us lot are not comfortable with that at all, then hamare to followers utne nahi hain, obviously.
I know, that's what I was saying, that there's a massive difference in
between
the stature.
15 million followers and 10 million followers and whatever, and you want to say you've only been around for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years.
For sure. You mentioned that you've been struggling with anxiety.
Yes.
And that's something that I definitely wanted to talk to you about, because I think there are so many people, and especially women in this country, that suffer from anxiety, and it is always brushed to the side.
Anxiety and depression, I
Yeah.
think, बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहा है, because I think especially after COVID and pre-COVID also, our lives are just so stressed out. Overall, look at the pollution outside. Look at the
Yeah.
quality of life. You know, जो एक पुराने ज़माने में people used to have time for themselves, and the pace of life was generally slower. It
yeah.
wasn't as competitive. It wasn't as cutthroat. So there was less stress, and they had time to maybe even play. Like I remember my father, he used to come home from work when I was a small child. He'd be home by 5:36, and then he'd go to the club and play sports or play a sport or something, and then he'd come home and then he'd unwind and watch some TV and spend time with us, oversee our homework maybe or something, have dinner with the family. Men are not really getting to do that, because they're working till 8. If you have a good job nowadays, you're not getting home before 7:30, 8.
Yeah.
By which time the children are already whatever, and that leaves no time to hit the gym, or you're hitting the gym at about 8:30, 9 o'clock. You
At
see
night.
a lot of bankers and a lot of
Yeah.
people in the financial world. So anyway, overall, I'm just saying stress is obviously the biggest trigger for all of us, for most diseases, and it is for anxiety and depression as well. So I suffer from a lot of sort of unstable anxiety. So I need to be careful, because I can have a panic attack. I can feel it coming on. Sometimes I can feel it coming on when I'm on set. And what makes it difficult is that you can't share that with people around who are around you, because if only you could open up at that time and let people know what's going on, and for them to be understanding of it and not consider you mad or pagal. You know what I'm saying? That's a difference.
That's the thing, na, कि
ये taboo जो है कि
Yeah.
if somebody is saying कि मैं therapy में हूँ या मुझे therapy की ज़रूरत है, तो हाय तुम्हारे क्या मसले हैं? जैसे कि कोई बीमारी है, तो अगर बीमारी है, which it is a
It is a
बीमारी,
bimari. It is like something that needs to be treated. I mean, like I said, if you have a headache, you're going to go and take a Panadol and cure it.
बिल्कुल.
Because that's the cure for it, right?
बिल्कुल,
You're not going to sit there and be like, oh my God, I'm not going to tell anybody because people are going to think I'm defective.
people are going to think, yeah,
Yeah, I'm defective.
Yeah.
Like that is a mentality, na, ki, oh my God. Ki,
there's something wrong with you.
Yeah.
That you're broken, that you're
Yeah.
not proper, you're not whole.
yeah.
So I think those are the taboos that we need to overcome all of that. We need to get over these hang-ups that we have, and we need to be a little more open and understanding of each other.
Of course.
We need to feel understood, and we need to feel acknowledged. I think everyone does. An actor, of course, generally needs it a little bit more than the average person.
Because obviously you're out in the public,
so you
everyone
need
is judging you. everyone is-
validation.
yeah. Constant, hai na?
Yeah,
It's constant
yeah.
wo hai. But I really do hope that, like, we do turn that leaf in this country, and this taboo is. moved
Yeah,
to
and
the
I
side
think there's nothing wrong in therapy. So I think
there is
most
nothing
people-
wrong. I've been in therapy for 3 years, and I cannot live without it. It's if I'm a better person, तो मेरी हर चीज जिंदगी की बेहतर होने लग जाएगी ना. My
बिल्कुल.
interaction with you will be better. My
बिल्कुल.
interaction with them will be better. My interaction at home will be better.
बिल्कुल.
If I'm
Yeah.
okay, yeah, हर
That's what it means, when they say that you have to love yourself first in order to love someone else.
Yeah, of course you have to
so
love
it's not supposed to be, meant to be taken in that selfish zone, ke love yourself in a narcissistic way.
It's like
but
accepting
loving, this is loving yourself, seeking help, acknowledging your mistakes, acknowledging your
accepting
internal...
them, actually, not just acknowledging, accepting
it कि हाँ ये मसला है, and now I need help, and it's okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't make me a weak person, and it doesn't make me a faulty, defective piece.
Yeah, because we all are defected in some way or the
In
other. I
some
mean,
way or the other.
अगर हम इतने perfect होते तो then we would have been sitting up there,
Right.
ruling the
Right.
friggin' universe.
The realms.
No, but I think it's high time
Yeah,
that we
it
do.
is. It is.
But anyway,
and I know that a lot of actors suffer from it, and now that I have it and I've had it for a while, I'm cognizant of it, and I can pick up that, oh, maybe so and so is going through this, and but that's because I've been through it myself, and that's why I wanted to talk about it with everyone. That it's okay. I have anxiety. I have depression, and I'm being treated for it, and you know, I've sought treatment for it, and I'm doing fine, and I'm doing all right, and I'm surviving. So it's very, very possible, and one just has to accept it initially, once for yourself, first for yourself, and then